and obviously, you know, injuries do put you out of work for a very long time. Um, you know, when it comes to me working in the field, um, I've never sustained any type of injuries. I've never fallen off of a ladder. So obviously, it's very important when it comes to working off of the ladder. Again, I'd like to thank all of those who have checked into to my life. It's a blessing for the continuing support of the channel. Um, so again, a lot of the content that I put out, it's a lot of content that you know, it's a daily, it's my daily work that I do, and so I come on the live, and I will show you guys how I go about my daily job, the safeties I take to go about doing my job. Um, a lot of people are not aware that there's a lot of injuries that happens when it comes to electrical. It could be, you know, off of a ladder. It could be arc flash. It could be anything at any given moment. But you know, um, as long as you're maintaining your code rules and so on, that's why I keep saying that the code is my number one priority. I follow it to the T. Um, Obviously, it was put in place for a reason to avoid certain situations and certain oopsies from happening. So, so again, this is just temporary lighting that. So again, this is just temporary lighting that I'm doing. Um, Nothing too crazy. Uh, yes, 100% a week. Esri, trying to pronounce Isria Scott. Hope I got that name right. Yes, it's nothing too crazy I'm doing today. Isria, okay. Yeah, so it's nothing too crazy I'm doing today. Like I said, I'm just doing the lighting. So that there is my smoke detector. So what I'm doing is I'm basically using that circuit to power up the lighting. It's fast, quick, and efficient, and there's no need for me to run around and try to install other lighting. And I can basically use the smoke detector circuit. Basically, what the smoke detector circuit is it's normally a circuit that is combined with the lighting, and the reason why we combine it with the lighting is once the power goes down, um,